All right, hello everyone. We're going to do another video showing the Intezer Analyze plugin within IDA Pro for reverse engineering. So I just loaded an ELF file that's pretty large, and when you see it process, I think we'll have over 1,000 functions. This type of reverse engineering might take you days, even as a seasoned professional. There's a lot of complex code and not really any information on which you can prioritize and know where to start. But when we run the Intezer Analyze plugin, you're going to see just how quickly you're going to get all sorts of valuable information based on the nature of each specific code block. And of course, in the cases of malicious code, attributing it to known bad actors or known malware families. Something we suggest is to then go by the strings here. And you can kind of use our technology with your own experience and your own intuition to search for things or scroll through until you see something that catches your eye. So if I want to dig into something here that looks interesting to me, I will scroll down until I see something that I want to click into. And then, of course, I'm brought right to that code block. So this is designed to really help accelerate the process and hopefully make your life a little bit easier.